Yesterday I went to the garden center to get some annuals for our potted areas in the backyard and in the front yard. And some of the petals fell off, some of the flowers, and so I decided to experiment with them since I am doing a lot of experiments for Anthotype photo printing, which is what these examples in the back are. So I started a chart, and interestingly, what you would think would be a fuchsia color coming out of the leaf once it's ground is really very purple, like a blue violet, and this is a vinca. So today, some more things fell off as I was planting, and I'm going to remove the stems and put them in the mortar and start grinding them. This is another kind of sort of Johnny jump up type flower, and I am going to grind, and you can see right now it's white and lavender, but we have to wait and see what color it will be when I start blending it together. And I see bits of yellow from the stamen, I believe, which I'm going to remove. Basically, it's making a very similar color to yesterday's color. There really is not enough pigment in here, even if I continue. Well, it's starting to turn aqua. Even if I tried to put some alcohol or water in here to make it into an emulsion, strain out the leftover pieces of petal that are too big to be involved in this. Yes, it is definitely not lavender anymore, and it's part of the fun, I think. It's not knowing what I'm going to get. Experimenting is like that. So now I am going to get some water and see if I can pull the color out and leave the pieces of petal behind in a coffee filter. Okay, so I got a little bit of water, and I am going to just experiment with this. I'm going to rinse off the pestle. It's really got stuff stuck on it. I'm going to pour a bit of the water into the mortar and continue mixing. And then I am going to take a coffee filter or any other fabric that could be used to catch the bigger pieces, and I'm just going to let them drain through. Got most of it out of the mortar, and just let this go through, and when I'm done I will paint it onto a piece of watercolor paper like I did these other two images in process right now.